Hey guys, alright, let's try to manage through the debris. Yeah, you can see roof shingles all over the place. This is a big stack. A lot of cleanup, because a lot of cleanup needs to happen. Look at this. This is just crazy. Bike was here. Look. I got all that. And all of that stuff. Oh, God. Look at all the debris. Lots of debris. Good morning. I'm going to charge everyone's phones around the block because no one has electricity. That is just nuts. Look how thick that tree branch is, and it came down last night. No one's gonna go down the street today until we move this. Actually, I was like, ooh, maybe I can move that. There ain't no way. Seems to be I'm the only one working, but I cleared at least that spot right there. Brought that tree branch, and this whole bunch of branches and stuff like that. The problem with that is it's still attached. So probably need somebody with a chainsaw or something to cut this because this is a real thick branch. Even though I'm helping out a bunch, I really feel selfish because I can't even edit this video together without a laptop. It's gonna be hard on the phone, but most important is to get the content out. Just sucks, all the devastation and stuff like that. I mean, this is crazy. You know, like, look at all the branches all around me and stuff like that, like debris and stuff. And we're not gonna have power for a week. You know, I find it funny. I've been walking around the block trying to make sure the community is okay and everything. But here's the funny thing. Behind me, over on the right side of the yard there, or I guess it's your left, I don't know. People are cleaning up their own yards. I took up trees and stuff out of the road because in case of emergency vehicle and stuff like that. Somebody mentioned to me earlier that people are selfish during the storm. And I think that's totally right because I offered to charge people's phones, remove trees out of the road and stuff like that. Am I willing to give up on the city? No. Am I gonna answer every question by myself? It's just hysterical because again, I'm here to help. Did that through Hurricane Isaac. So we're walking around town right now trying to find beer. Stoplights are gone. People are driving whatever. Over here is National Guard. And we can't find beer. So this is not actually good for me, but I've been drinking on this corner for like hours. And these National Guard trucks have been here doing nothing. I have no idea. You can see the debris. They're on the sides of all the streets. Everything's closed. And it's cash only everywhere. I'm gonna walk home because I just had tired time hanging out in front of a gas station, drinking beers. It's funny, like, people saw me across the street, like, I'm almost breaking down crying. This really does suck. Like, everywhere is cash only. I don't know when the Red Cross is gonna come in and shit. Like, this really sucks. But at least I see friends across the street. Like, I'm always like, hey, I'm glad you're alive and stuff. This really does suck, though. We're like living like Amish people right now. Literally walking through debris. Wherever I walk, people have done their best to like, god damn it. I don't know how we're gonna get through this. I mean, day one, cash only businesses. Red Cross hasn't even made a motion whether or not we're gonna get ice and shit. So now I gotta cook everything in my refrigerator. That's gonna be crazy. I don't even know why I'm doing a video. Look, this guy has water balloons. One fell over here. Ooh. What's up, man? How you doing? Yeah, and that's a good idea during hurricane. I thought last ditch I was gonna go to Holy Ground, which is behind me, for ice. These bars aren't operating. They probably have tubs full of ice. But apparently there are power lines down all around me and stuff. I have no idea what those lines are for. So I'll go home, try to save what's in my refrigerator. Drink that beer. So I'm literally laying on my van floor right now. My little ottoman. I understand it's like four like 1x1s connected, and then one of the joists broke. So I can't even sit on that. It's hot as balls right now. I have the fan on full. I have windows down. This is more comfortable than my crash space because there's only 2 windows and no fans, and I have electricity out here. But now my laptop doesn't work. Took it out here last night. Maybe rain got in it. But now it's just going beep, 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 beep as it boots up. It doesn't even boot up. So now I don't have a laptop. So I don't know how this video is going to get out there. I'm going to try some phone editing software. I'm sure it's not going to be as verbose. But I'm going to do that. My beer is on that counter. And it is so weirdly hot that I thought a bartender was pushing it towards me. Another thing. I am feeling very alone. It's good that you guys are out there. Because I feel very alone out here. I don't have my laptop. I can't sit inside the van because it's so hot here. There's destruction all around. It's just sad feeling alone. Like, even bars aren't open. Everything is cash only because there's no electricity in the whole city. Alone. I feel alone. Things I'm thankful for. My van did not get damaged. The fan on top or the solar panels, everything works out perfectly. That is a really good thing that I found out after the storm. Really good.